I'm back with another dancing video, as you saw from the title. I don't know what it is doing my arm, but we're keeping it in, okay? So, you can't see my feet. I don't know how this setup is going. I don't really know how to situate my camera yet, considering I only have this angle and one that's like this. So really, it's a journey. With today's dance, I'm not really sure what I'm worried about because overall, I really like this. I feel like the only thing would be I just think I would feel weird doing this part. Just because it kind of like looks like something I wouldn't do. Like I don't think I'd ever be like at a party like, woo, what's up? You know, like dancing to music. You know? It doesn't seem natural. From this point on, the video is going to be mirrored, so follow along if you want to. You know, no pressure. So, I think we should start from this part. I guess I'm just gonna have to over-explain the legs because you can't see my feet. So, your first step is going to be your right foot in front of your left, like you're walking forward, and you're going to start with your hands on the top of your thighs, and they come up to about here. So that's here, and then you step with your other foot in front of that one, and your hands go out. You do another step, and your hands are going to like turn, I think, and go like this. Yeah, boy! I don't really know how to put that to counts, so I'm just gonna go with the lyrics. Summer magic. And when you're doing this, I bring my other foot up, like I'm going to step one, back up one. Right there. Like you're going to step in front again, but you just stay in place. Magic. And then, I don't really know Korean, so I don't know what they say there, but it's dun 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 dun. Your hands are going to be in fists, and they're going to be turned towards your face. So knuckles to the people, alright? These are right by your side. And you're going to stand with your legs shoulder width apart, and you're kind of going to bend your hip down, but your knees are going to go the other way. Bum, bum. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And your hands come back down. They should be like this instead of like that. I did that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna go from Wendy's part because she's in the middle. I mean, come on. And this leg, you're gonna have your knee popping out like this, and your other leg is straight. So you're gonna be like this. And when you do that, you're gonna pull up, and your hip's gonna go up. And you do that 4 times, I believe. Okay, so it counts. That should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. Kind of didn't mention this part, but now you know. First 8 count of the chorus is so you're going to put your fingers in guns, okay? And your right arm is going to go straight out. Your left arm is going to come down like this. And you're going to bend on your right hip. And this leg is going to be bent. So that's 1, switch, 2. 1, 2. And then you go up. 3, 4. When you do that, you're bouncing your hip. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. So your feet are apart. And you're gonna take your right leg and go over to your left. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna take your right hand in a blade and your left hand in a blade. You're gonna take your right under your left and then go on top. So that's 1, 2. I'm not sure what your legs do. I think it's 1, 2, and then 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you start this. Feet first. So 1, hip situation, bend, knee pops out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back together. And then you stay here. And you lean forward, I guess. You poke your leg out. Yeah. You bend your other knee and lean forward a little bit. So your hands are on your shoulders. And you're doing this. Bum, 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 bum. When you hit this, your legs jump out. Okay? Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, 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 yeah. Second and count. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So after 8, it's 1, 2, 3. I don't really know how to do pauses and counts. I just think, yeah, 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 because that's how you do it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay? So you start at your right, and you go left, right, and you pause when they're not doing something. 1, 2, 5, 6. I guess that goes in accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm not sure, but the counts make sense. I just can't think of it right now with the lyrics in mind. Now you got your first 3 counts in the chorus. After this part, they come down with their legs together, their hands in fists, I believe. Yeah. So let's power up like this. This hand is bent, this one's pointing, okay? When you do this, you're gonna like walk forward a little bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. When you do that, this hand is spinning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8. And you come down 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you start the banana part. When you're doing this thing, this hand stays in its place. Doesn't move. Okay? For the sake of this, I'm going to walk like sideways back-ish so that I have room to do the next part. So, wherever you have space, man, move if you want to. So the next part, since this is 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to step out, and so your hips, it's 5, 6, 7, 8, and then your arms are going to go like all twisty. I don't know how to explain that really good. When I do that, my arms go the same way, so I really don't know how to. Did I just do it? Right when I was talking about how I can't. Okay. One's a wave, alright? And I don't know how to do a reverse wave, but that's. No, that confused me. They're both waves. 1, 2. 2 is this foot. Stepping in the same spot again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're stepping back, in the middle, in front, and meeting it. That would be 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do this banana part 3 times. So one this way, and another one this way. So when you finish that, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can. You did the worst. Congratulations. Now let's do it all the way completely with counts, and then we're going to try it with the music. Counts. Let's get it. Oh shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Oh wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I messed up on a bit of that, but I think the idea came through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time with the music. No counts. But I mean, we did it! I don't know how my voice got that high. I'm excited. I actually did it all the way. You did it too, hopefully. If not, you know, you can go back, figure some stuff out. That is all for today's video, and yeah. If you want to see me do a tutorial or like do one of these learn with me things, comment what song, and I'll try my best. But like this video, if you want more videos like it, you know, you can like if you want to. You know, subscribe. I got videos like this coming every so often. That's all I got, so bye.